Hey guys, if you would like to use Duolingo application, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, Duolingo is a language learning application which will make you learn any language like Spanish, English, German, French, anything. So first thing first, this application is completely free and you have to go ahead and download from your Play Store or your App Store. Now I've already downloaded it, so let's go ahead open this. You will also need an account for that. I'm logged in with my email address. You can do the same. And if I tap onto my profile, you will see my profile, my account, the date I joined, and the courses, which is German and Spanish. Now, as you can see that this is just like Candy Crush game. They have each level and you will have to pass that level if you would like to reach here. Once you pass this level, you will go here. Let's go ahead and start a session. Tap start. And for this session, what you have to do is align this audio with the words
Bonito.
here. So this is one session. If you would like to learn more, this is the streak, just like Snapchat. In my case, I'm on my 43 streak. The blue are the frozen ones, which I missed. So it is frozen for me. And today is 17. So if I do it today, I will have this streak going on as well. It will be 44. And likewise, these are the coins that I have gathered as I pass the step. These are my heart. If you make a mistake, you will lose one heart. It is just like Candy Crush game. Likewise, these are all my exercises. These will be my friends, and as you can see, I'm on my level of 9. If I do more and more of Duolingo lessons, I might get promoted and I can get up to top 5. Likewise, these are the quests that I can play. And now this is notification. And just like so, guys, you may go ahead and try this application. This is very fun and you will not learn if you just see this video. You have to open this application and use it yourself if you would like to learn a new language from Duolingo.